is Shay. I'm here for Target. Hello, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And of course, don't forget to hype your girl up as well. So we're at Target today. Not tracking towards anything special as far as my bonuses. I think I pretty much took care of all of that with Walmart alone, which was really cool. And I do have something I want to try. I'm hoping with Social Nature. I've seen it working for everybody else, and I want to see if it's going to work for your girl as well. So that's kind of the goal with that. I don't think I have a lot of offers that are even on Ibotta. I think most of them are Social Nature aisle. I have one for WeStock. And so not even a lot of Ibotta anyways. And so with that being said, we're going to head over to Target. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got ready to do, hit the like button and keep on watching. All right, y'all. So first up is the Wild. I've been buying so many of these chips lately. So there is a $3.50 offer. I've already done that one, and now I have a free one when you guys use my code. And so I grabbed them again, priced at $7.39, getting that back through aisle. I'm making them absolutely free. All right, so next up, this is the deal I wanted to try and see if it was going to work for me. Now, I did have a glitch for me before, and I wasn't sure if that was just that particular time, but it seems to have been working with other people as well. So I grabbed two of the Neutral, priced at $7.19. I paid $14.38, and then I did get back $7.19 on Social Nature. I submitted the receipt a second time and got back the 75% off offer, which was $5.39, and then 50 cents back on each on Ibotta brings them down to only 40 cents per bag. So Joseph's account, he had 3 offers. He had 2 BOGO offers and one 75% off offer. And so for him, I grabbed 2 again. I paid $14.38. I did have to submit the receipt 3 different times for it to pick up all 3 offers. And then also getting back $1 on Ibotta made both bags a $6.39 moneymaker. Next up is the Wild Wonder. These are priced at $3.49. We have a free offer for WeStock, and so I definitely wanted to go ahead and pick this up as well. And of course, I had to grab the mock coconut creamer again as well. It's priced at $6.49. Now I no longer have the offer on Ibotta for $1, so it's just basically going to make this free after the Social Nature offer. All right, so next up is the Califia Farms. It's on the soy milk. Now, I did do this deal on Target's last week sale. I do believe it's a little cheaper now, and I did find some dollar hang tags when I was at Vaughn's the other day. And so I used one of those, which brought the total down to $5.29. I did have an offer on Social Nature that was 50% back, which gave me $2.64. And there's also $2 aisle offer as well, making this only 65 cents. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is by far my favorite ice cream. I mean, I know it's not ice cream, but this is my favorite right now. So to be able to get paid to take it, or even to get it close to free, to me is an awesome deal. So I had to do this deal. Now, the only sister app that I had, well, originally I had $8 back, but it went up to $9. All the other apps is $8. So I went ahead and grabbed 4, priced at $5.49. I paid $21.96. I did get back $18 on Upromise, and then $4 on Fetch Reward. It's $1 for each one, limit of 5, and then $1.25 on Checkout 51, which is limit of 1. Which basically made all 4 free plus $1.29 moneymaker, which is so awesome. All right, so next up is the Flourish pancake mix. I'll have to pop up who I saw post this deal. I already had left Target, so I wasn't trying to go back, so this will definitely be on my list next time I go. It's priced at $6.29. You'll get that back for aisle. There's the number for you to text, making this absolutely free. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed the August Pats again. Priced at $7.99. I had a 75% back offer on Social Nature, so I got back $5.99. And then I had an offer on aisle for $3, making this a $1 moneymaker. Now, the offer that the link is for a free one if you haven't did this one. All right, so last but not least, I went ahead and redeemed for my Target Circle membership freebie for this month. I didn't get it last month. It's $5 off of select Up and Up products, and because this is something that we literally need every day, I figured it was a really good deal. So it's priced at $5.99 for the 6-pack of the tissue paper. You'll use a $5 Target Circle bringing that down to only 98 cents. All right, so this is the only deal that I did in Vons on the crackers. I'm finally getting around to doing the premium deal, which is buy 2 get back 5. I did get that back within 2 days. And so for this, we're grabbing 2 of the premiums at $2.99, 2 of the Ritz at $1.99. We have $1 off, 2 zeros off of each of them. We'll pay $7.96 and then getting back that $5 gift card plus a 75 cents back for each on Ibotta makes them all a 4-cent moneymakers. With that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. We have Target and we have the crackers I did at Vons. Everything here worked out really good. I was going to add this to Walmart, but to be honest, doing my breakdown was getting so overwhelming that I decided to just split it. And I'm happy that I did, because I will tell y'all, I absolutely love like really big, you know, hauls, but they just take so much brain power putting together the breakdown and stuff. And so this is Target. Now we have 2 social nature accounts. I have one, Joseph has one. And so that's why we have the Nutrell twice. All right, so I'm gonna try to make this really, really brief because I haven't even edited any of the video yet. So I'm gonna make sure that it's not gonna be too long. Let me show you my receipts really quick. I wish I could get in the habit of showing y'all my receipts, but look, my Walmart haul, I have is it even focusing? I have a ton of receipts from our Walmart haul. And so these were the 3 Target transactions and then the Vons at the very bottom. All right, so the deal that I'm most excited about was by far the Yasso. I still have 3 in there in the freezer. Those are by far my favorite treat. And so I'm so excited about that deal. Also excited about the Ritz because that's Josiah's favorite cracker. I'll probably donate the premium because I'm not a big fan of that cracker. I already got back my $5 gift card. I think I got that back 2 days after, and I just added that to my Walmart app and I used it there. And I also just got back the P&G $15 gift card as well, which I added that to my Walmart app and I used that today. And that's pretty much what I do with all of the virtual gift cards. I add them to my Walmart app and use them there. Everything you see here retails $105.71. We had $8 in coupons. That was $5 for the tissue and $2 for the crackers. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $97.71. And then we walk away with $41.48 from Social Nature, a $19.78 from IO, $18 from Upromise. I had the $5 gift card for the crackers. Ibotta and Fetch Reward was both $4. WeStock was $3.49. And last but not least was Checkout 51 at $1.25. Getting back a total of $97 back makes this haul a net cost of 71 cents, you guys. 71 cents! Your girl is in heaven with this haul. Like, so excited about it. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want to see a toilet paper emoji in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.